Hello, Namaskar. Here is a set of three questions based on capacitors. I read the first question. Four capacitors are connected in a circuit as shown in the figure. The effective capacitance in microfarad between points A and B will be. Here is the circuit. Option A 18 microfarad, option B 4 microfarad, option C 5 microfarad, and option D 28 by 9 microfarad. So in this question you see here the circuit diagram for capacitors. So how can you find the equivalent capacitance between A and B? For this one you see here point A is here, so this point A will also be the same. So A and A, here is the same point, and here you assume you take point B. Now you can solve it, or you can take here not B, you take here B is already given, so you take here this one point C. Now you can solve. So make this diagram as point A, point C, point B. Okay. The capacitance between A and C 2 microfarad. The capacitance between A and C again 2 microfarad. So join here, both 2 are in parallel. The capacitance between C and B 12 microfarad, and capacitance between A and B here 2 microfarad. 2 microfarad. Now you see 2 and 2 are in series, are in parallel, so it will be 4. 4 and 12 are in series, so it will be 4 into 12 upon 4 plus 12, that is 3 microfarad. 3 and 2 are in parallel, so it will be 5 microfarad. So answer will be C. C is the correct answer. Now for the second part. Second question. As shown in the figure below, the equivalent capacitance between point A and B to be find out. Here this circuit diagram is a Wheatstone bridge circuit. Option A is 20 microfarad, option B 10 microfarad, option C 40, option D 30. For this question you will see the product of capacitance on opposite sides. If they are equal, then there will be no charge flows between, here you see C and D, no charge flow through the branch CD, that is 10 microfarad. So here see 10 multiply 10, that is CAC multiply CDB is equal to opposite side CAD multiply CCB. So 10 into 10. Therefore no charge flows through the branch CD. Now it means circuit will be as 10 in series. Now 10 in series, here also 10 and 10. Here I put point A and point B. So 10 and 10 in series means 5 microfarad, and 10 and 10 again in series means 10 by 2, that is 5 microfarad. and 5 in parallel means 10 microfarad. So answer will be B here. Now next third part, last part, the equivalent capacitance between A and B here in this circuit. See here, 2 microfarad and 2 microfarad. Take this one point A, here take point B, and here is point C. So between A and C here will also be the same point. A and C, 2 and 2 in series, so 1 microfarad, 1 and 1 in parallel, then 2 microfarad, again 2 and 2 in series, then 1 microfarad, and again 1 and 1 in parallel, 2 microfarad. So answer will be D, 2 microfarad. This is the way of solving the multiple choice question. Thank you so much.